Today we're going to be installing the Saddlebag safety bolt kit from Rick Rack to keep your saddlebags nice and secure as you're buzzing down the slab, and also to detour would-be thieves. So the first thing you're going to want to do is remove your saddlebags. I already have mine off from a previous project, and I wanted to install these before I put them back on. Let's go ahead and get this package opened up and see what we've got here. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our little bag of goodies here. Got an assortment of washers, lock washers, these little clips, and these spacers. And if you go by this diagram right here, it will show you the exact way to install it. This represents your saddlebag here. So we're going to go ahead and get the old clips off. So to remove the old clips, you should be able to just kind of get a screwdriver under there, or your fingernails, and kind of pop it off. And our next step, of course, is going to be to insert the replacements into the same spots. Once those are installed, you can grab your bag, remove your old pin lock system, and then just follow your diagram for what goes in next. Basically, you're going to set this up. Take your bolt, your lock washer, your washer, put those through, and then this little plastic clip is going to help hold this knob on, so you never have to take it completely out of your bag. That's going to hold this knob on. Before we secure that all the way, we're going to do the same thing on this side. And of course, the reason you want to do that is because you need to be able to get this plastic piece between the bag and the fitting on the other side. There we go. Now you can tighten these down nice and snug, and your bags are going to be very nice and secure from that point on. So that's all there is to the Saddlebag safety bolt kit install process. The saddlebags are very secure, very solid. You won't be able to just go in quick, untwist these two pin locks and remove your bag. You're actually going to have to unscrew the knobs, but they're just hand knobs and they're very easy to get a hold of, so absolutely no problem. If you need to take your bags off, just unscrew those, take them out, and there you go. So I think it's a very nice kit, very easy to install, very easy to use. The bolts fit quite nice and flush with the interior of the saddlebag. So I mean granted, they do stick out and are a little bit bigger than the original pin lock bolts. I have absolutely no problem with it. I think it's perfectly fine and nothing to worry about. That's gonna do it. I hope this helped. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay safe out there as always. I appreciate you checking in. If you haven't done it yet, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell right next to it. It will not cost you a thing, but you'll get to be updated, notified every time I upload a new video or go live. And you do not want to miss that. More great things to come, guys. Installs, tutorials, riding. We're in the middle of winter right now, but another month or two and we'll be on the road again doing moto vlogs, checking out the beautiful Midwest and all that it has to offer. And there you go. See you next time.